Hello everyone, my name is Ashima Garg. In this talk, I'll present our work Higher Match, leveraging label hierarchies for improving semi-supervised learning. This work is done in collaboration with Shaurya Bagga, Yashvardhan Singh and Saket Anand. Deep neural networks are data hungry, and traditional semi-supervised learning methods are a step towards addressing the problem of requiring large annotated data. In order to resolve the issue, SSL approaches uses a handful set of labeled images and a large amount of unlabeled images to learn a classifier. These methods are often useful in scenarios where labeling data is expensive. When the classes are fine-grained, it becomes even harder to get the annotations. We can still expect from a layperson to label these images as bird than to expect him to know their fine-grained labels, golden-fronted woodpecker or a downy woodpecker, which can be known only by an expert of the domain. Also, since course-level labels are easily available in the label space, therefore, course labels can reduce the annotation costs incurred due to labeling at the finest levels. Hierarchies exist as part of the knowledge bases which can be readily available to be used. This is an example set of hierarchy that exists in these set of images. In our research, the question we ask is, can we leverage label hierarchies inherent in the data to further reduce the problem of labeling costs in order to improve the existing semi-supervised methods? Label hierarchies for semi-supervised learning is underexplored in the literature. In higher match, set of unlabeled data remains the same as that of SSL methods. To reduce the labeling costs incurred at the finest levels, we reduce the number of level 3 samples annotated at the finest levels and instead use the same number of course level annotations for those samples, in this case from level 2 and from level 1. Here the assumption we make is that we have course labels available for the images labeled at the finest level. For the green bounded images, we have course labels available also at level 2 and at level 1. We then make use of a hierarchical classifier at different levels inspired from Your Flamingo is My Bird. Now, given the set of labeled images and a set of unlabeled images, for every level, we apply existing semi-supervised learning algorithm at each level. We make use of only finest level classifier at test time to report the accuracy. Doing so, we show in our experiments we are able to maintain the performance as that of SSL methods using higher match algorithm. We show results on CIFAR 100 and North American birds dataset. We report the final classification accuracy on level 3. Experimental results on CIFAR 100. Highlighted in orange is the performance on baseline semi-supervised mixed match algorithm. The total number of label samples across the 3 levels of hierarchy is constant in each of these experiments. Baseline mixed match uses 10K label samples at the finest levels and do not use any course level annotations. We use a dash mark to denote if the hierarchy at a particular level is not used. In higher match, we are able to get performance improvement of 1% top 1 accuracy even if we reduce 2K samples at level 3 and instead use the 2K samples with level 2 labels. These results are on the AnyBirds dataset. For more details of the experiment, please refer to section 4.2 from our paper. In these experiments, we show comparisons with the baseline, keeping the total number of labeled samples as 400 across the 3 hierarchical levels. Now, when we drop 400 fine-grained samples and use these 100 samples from course level, that is level 2, we get performance increase of 4%. These are results with a different baseline of SSL algorithm. Our algorithm is generic approach. We apply same baseline SSL algorithm at different hierarchical levels. In conclusion, with fewer number of fine-grained label samples, higher match is able to achieve competitive performance compared to baseline SSL. Also, incorporating additional coarser hierarchical priors in SSL framework boosts the performance of state-of-the-art methods significantly. Thank you for listening.